Paragraph 18, Longwe had his cell phone in his possession all the time. There was visibility and the street lights were on with people out there. There is a dog next door which will bark if a stranger comes in, but never barked.
uLongwe wayenocingo lwakhe-ke ngaso sonke isikhathi kuyena kwakukhanya-ke noma kwakubonakala-ke futhi-ke nama-street lights ayekhanya-ke kunabantu khona lapho kunenja-ke bomakhelwane ekhonkothayo-ke uma kuwukuthi-ke kuza-ke umuntu engamazi noma ongaziwa kodwa-ke ayikaze ikhonkotha.
Paragraph 19. When taking Senzo to the hospital, Longwe was nowhere to be found. I only saw him at the hospital as he came with my mother.
Uma sithatha noma sihambisa uSenzo simhambisa esibhedlela uLongwe wayengabonakala indawo. Ngazombona-ke kuphela esibhedlela uma esefika noma.
Paragraph 20. Further on the radio interview, he was addressing Senzo as my goalkeeper. And he mentioned the fact that he was shot on the chest and yet he was not in the room. Even when he came to the hospital, he never saw Senzo. All I know is him and Senzo were good friends to an extent they will even exchange clothes.
Futhi-ke kuyona-ke interview esemsakazweni noma i-radio wayethi uma ekhuluma ngeSenzo athi-ke unozinto wami noma-ke ugoalkeeper wami futhi-ke washo nokuthi nkathi uSenzo wadutshulwa esifubeni kodwa-ke wayengekho yena lapho erumini. Nangesikhathi-ke eza esibhedlela akambonanga uSenzo engikwaziyo ukuthi yena kanye noSenzo babezwana noma babe abangani kuze kuthi-ke babeze bashintshe neimpahla noma impahla zokugqoka bashintshisene ngeimpahla zokugqoka.
Paragraph 21. On the particular day we did not drink. On the particular day we did drink, but not drunk. And we just started when the robbers arrived. On that day, Longwe greeted everybody, and the greetings were normal. No congratulations between him and Senzo.
Ngalelo langa lelo-ke saphuza kodwa-ke singadakiwe futhi-ke sasiqala nje noma sasisanda ukuqala-ke ngenkathi-ke laba bezobamba inkunzi befika. Ngalelo langa lelo uLongwe wabingelela wonke umuntu futhi-ke ukubingelela kwakhe-ke kwakuyindlela nje ejwayelekile kwakungekho-ke ukhalaliselana nomfiselana-ke okuhle phakathi kwakhe kanye noSenzo.
Paragraph 22. The previous night we were supposed to perform at Soweto and there was rain. The performance was cancelled. Myself, Precious, Mthokozisi, Kelly, and Senzo went to Kelly's house. I cannot recall where Longwe joined us, but he was at Kelly's house. He did not sleep there, but left myself, Kelly, Mthokozisi, Precious, and Senzo.
Kubusuku-ke obudlulile kwakumele ukuthi-ke siperforma-ke eSoweto kodwa-ke ngenxa yemvula azange iperformance leyo yase ikhanselwa-ke. Mina uPrecious, uMthokozisi, uKelly kanye noSenzo sahamba saya emzini noma endlini yakhe. uKelly angikhumbuli-ke ukuthi uSenzo wasijoyina kuphi kodwa-ke weza-ke kwaKelly noma wafika-ke kwaKelly akalalanga khona kodwa-ke washiya mina, uKelly, uMthokozisi, uPrecious kanye noSenzo.
Paragraph 23. After the shooting, when we came from the hospital, the whole family slept at Kelly's house for several days. in Malberton. Longwe slept for some days also. And his home is at Kenvista. The first night he slept at Malberton. I would like to say that I was not part of the planning, if there was any, or the killing of Senzo. And I will not protect anyone who is in the wrong.
Emuva kokudubula ke noma emuva kokudutshulwa ke uma sesibuya ke esibhedlele umndeni wonke walala endlini kaKelly amalanga ke athize eMalberton. uLongwe walala ke naye izinsuku khona lapho futhi ke kibo kuse Glenvista usuku bokuqala walala eMalberton. Ngiyafisa ke ukusho ukuthi ngangasiyona ke ingxenye yakona kuphike noma iplanning ekhona noma eyayikhona uma kuukuthi ikhona ke iplanning eyayikhona yokubulala uSenzo. Futhi ke angeke ngize ngivikele noma ubani uma kuukuthi lo muntu loyo wenza ke okungasikona noma okurong.
Paragraph 24. I was surprised that my boyfriend will run away and leave me in the house without protecting me as a girlfriend. I did not ask him till today.
Bangimangaza ke ukuthi boyfriend yami ke ibaleke ke ingishiye endlini ngokungangivimba ngaphandle kokuthi ingivikele nanjengentombi yayo angikaze ngimbuze kuze kube namuhla.
Paragraph 25. I know and understand the contents of this statement. I have no objection in taking the prescribed oath. I consider the prescribed oath to be binding on my conscience. It is signed by the witness on 2018-02-10 at 20:00 hours 16 minutes.
Ngiyakwazi futhi ke ngiyakuzwa ukubhaliwe ke khona lapho isitatimende futhi ke anayo inkinga ukuthi ke ngiyathungela ukuthi ke kuzona iqiniso nokuthi ke lokho kufunga lokho ukuthi ke kuyabophezela kona unembezo wami wase assign that.
Okay, we'll start with the cross-examination again. You said there were 3 stages, is that
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And then the 4th statement, meaning the witness's evidence in the cross-examination,
Yes.
is the one you want to contrast with the statements.
Yes.
Continue.
Yes. Ma'am, it is so that the last statement that you made was made on the 10th of February 2018.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi esogcina owasenza istatement kwakungeyi 10 zika February 2018. Yes, that's true.
That would have been some 3 years, 3 months, and 1 week after you had made the first statement on the 27th of October 2014.
Kwakusemuva kweminyaka emithathu inyanga ezintathu neviki emuva kwestatement esokuqala owasenza nge-27 ka-October 2014. I didn't count, but I'll believe you.
Ma'am, is it correct that in your evidence in chief, that is the evidence that you tendered before this court, before I ask you questions, you told this court that when the first intruder who had a firearm pointed the firearm at you, I mean you and the others who were in the house, you froze?
Angithi kunjalo ukuthi kubufakazi bakho obuyinhloko uma ngabe uqala ukuyeza ngobufakazi baphambili ngokuthi ngibuza imibuzo ushilo ke ukuthi ngathi lona oqala ke noma wayiphambili wayephethe isibhamu enikhomba ngesibhamu wena ke wafreeza. Yes, that's correct.
You also told this court in your evidence in chief that you also froze at the stage when you had to dial the police number, the 10-111.
Waphinda washo ke nokuthi nangenkathi kwakufanele ngayo ufoneleke inamba yamaphoyisa u-10-111 waphinda futhi wafreeza. Yes, that's true.
You also told this court that at the time when you went to look for assistance, for help, to phone the police at your neighbor's house, that is Mapiri. Mapiri and Tabiseng panicked. They cried and panicked Do you confirm that?
Ushilo ke nokuthi inkathi usuphumela ngaphandle ke uyofuna usizo komakhelwane uMaphiri kanye naye ke uNthabiseng baphenika basebekhala.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that's true.
Ma'am, is it in any of your statements, that is P1, P2, P3, that when the robber, the first intruder who had a firearm, pointed you with a firearm, you panicked, you froze, you
Ingabe
froze?
kukhona yini kuyitatimende ezintathu eziqedwe ufundwa manje ke uP1 uP2 kanye noP3 ukuthi ngenkathi ke nikhonjwa ngesibhamu wena wafreeza?
Angibonanga ukuthi kubalulekile.
I didn't see it to be important.
Is it in any of the statement that I've read to you, Exhibit P1, P2, and P3,
Ingabe kukhona yini, sorry.
that when you were to dial the police number, the 10-111 police number, you froze?
Ingabe kukhona yini kuyitatimende ezintathu engiyifundile uP1 uP2 kanye noP3 ukuthi ngesikhathi bakufanele ngaso ufonele u10-111 number yamaphoyisa wafreeza?
Engikukhumbulayo ukuthi ngakusho khona. Bengaqali kusho ngaphela ecourt.
What I do remember is that I said it or I mentioned it. I wasn't saying it for the first time here in court.
Ukuthi iphoyisa libhalani phansi or lisummarize kanjani lokho angikwazi.
As to what it is that the police officer writes or summarizes or writes down, that I have no knowledge of.
Noma ukuthi ubona ukuthi ikona kuphi kubalulekile nakhona futhi lapha ngingayisebenza.
Or whether which or what is it that he or she considers to be important. Even there, I do not have a say.
So njengoba ngila icourt ngivele la ukuzonabisa yonke into ngichaze exactly ukuthi kwenzakaleni kanjani khululelana iqiniso.
And as I'm here, I am here to explain and to expatiate and to say exactly in detail as to what happened and to tell my truth.
Do you confirm, ma'am, that it is also not in your statement that when you went out to look for help at Maphiri's house with Ntabiseng present, they cried and started to panic, hence you did not get assistance?
Engabe kuyona yini iqiniso ukuthi nokuthi ke wapho uma sokuphumele ngaphandle ke uyofuna usizo abazange bakwazike ukuthi bakusize base bekhala bephenile ukuthi nako lokho akukho kule statement?
Nakhona lokho futhi nje ngizophinda ngakumenshina ngakusho word for word njengoba bengisho la ecourt ukuthi iphoyisa libhala statement libona ukuthi kubalekile noma cha lokho akukho emandleni ami.
Once again, I'm going to repeat it and say that I did mention it or I did say it. As to whether the police writes it or says whether it's important or not, that is not in my control.
Yikho futhi ngize noma ngifika la ecourt ngakuphinda ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngangikushilo.
Which is why I said it or I repeated it when I got to court, because I know that I mentioned it.